So, paano na ito? Naka-live na ba ito? Ay, tagal ko hindi nag-live. Hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everyone. Shout out sa lahat. Mega, mega love shout out, everybody. Say hello. Say hello, everybody. Kahit wala tayong viewers. Kumusta
1
po?
million.
Hello, mga
Hello,
kapamilya.
everybody. Wow, 1 million viewers.
No.
Kikita ka na dyan.
Everybody. Hi, everybody.
No.
No, not everybody. So, no, wag mong anuhin yan.
Huwag yan.
Paano ba i-back ang camera?
Hello.
Mahulog ka talaga. So, magluluto tayo ng pinakbet. Ayan. Hindi complete yung pinakbet kung walang sitaw, walang kalabasa. Oh, asan na yung ano natin? Wala, doon nakatago. Yung ampalaya, talong, may okra, may sibuyas, may kamatis.
Ayun yung ampalaya.
Ayun, may ampalaya doon.
Hello, boyas.
Tagal pa tayong hindi pinakbet.
Unuhulog.
Yan. So, hello everybody. Say hello everybody kasi ito nagmamaktol. Say hello. Oh, meron tayong 1 million viewers. Shout out 1 million. Shout out 1 million. Mega mega love shout out. How are you, my friend? Anong ginagawa mo eh? So, meron tayong 1 million viewers in the house.
We're Winnie.
We're Winnie in the house. Oh, where's your Winnie? Go get Winnie.
No.
Go get Winnie. Where's your Winnie? Where's Winnie? Ba't mo kasi kailangan ilagay sa iyo? You do like this, see? You remove this, the top, this, remove that, and then through, and then see, I will show you how. See? You hold that one, make it same size. It's okay, we can eat that one. That's edible. Yes. See? Like that. No need to put on your head. You try it by yourself. So, shout out, everyone. Sige nga, meron na tayong 2 million viewers.
Ano ba to?
Hello, 2 million in the house. Mega mega love shout out. Mega
Hi.
love shout out.
Hello. Sino yung sumilip?
Sino
Gorilla?
yan? Gorilla o monkey?
Ano?
Monkey.
Grela.
Oh.
No, monkey.
Monkey wala. This is monkey. This is monkey. You monkey. This is gorilla, right?
They're small.
No. This.
Oh, who is the monkey? Okay, turo kung sino ang monkey.
Duck.
Ang kalit naman.
Makabuha.
Yan, 3 million in the house. Shout out po.
Hi,
Yan, hello
good
kapamilya.
evening.
Happy weekend sa lahat. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the holiday.
No.
Yan,
no.
sitaw.
Sitaw, bataw, patani. Ni.
Patula. Tama ba yun? O yan, meron na tayong full 4 million. Si 4 million.
No.
4
million
in the
viewers.
house. Shout out everyone.
What happened there?
Shout
No,
out
no, no,
everyone.
no, no,
Say
no.
shout out everybody.
Check out, Bobby.
Shout out everybody.
Shout out, Bobby.
Say it loud.
Shout out, Bobby.
How do you say shout out?
Everybody.
Say shout out everybody. Ayun, mayroon tayong 10 million in the house. Mega mega
Yeah.
love shout out everyone.
Yeah.
Kasi kataman na to eh. Sabi naman, dito ako.
Yan. So
Kaya
let's
yung
let's
ito,
cook. Ay, hindi pala.
umaga ka
Hindi pala tayo magluluto. Magpe-prepare lang kasi bukas naman. Prepare tayo ng pang pinakbet. So shout out sa mga Ilocano diyan, mga nakakalam ng pinakbet o
Oh, no.
nag-uulam ng pinakbet. Shout out, shout out.
Kayo
Yes,
yan.
pakbet. Ayan, 13 million in the house. Shout out.
Dalawang klaseng pakbet.
Yes. Ginisa lang naman yung isa. Mag-hi ka na doon.
Hi.
Mag-hi ka na. How do you say hi? How do you say hi to the camera? How do you say hi? Say it.
Hi.
Say hi,
Hi.
hello everybody.
Hi.
Oh, who do you wanna shout out? Shout out? Sino yung gusto mong i-shout out?
Hi. You monkey.
Hindi naman monkey, oy. Shout out. Where you from? I'm from Philippines, my friends.
No.
We are from Philippines. Thank you so much for watching.
Watching. Bye-bye.
No, don't say bye-bye yet. Say, how are you, my friend?
How are you, friend?
Where are you from also?
Kinahatan pala yung friend. This one?
Yes, my dear friends. How are you doing?
Si Carl, may kasabay doon si Carl kanina na interview doon. Siya daw yung pinakabata.
Ah.
May mga edad na daw yun.
Wala si, ano nga si Arben?
This
Sabi
is pumpkin. I know
18
this is
years old,
squash.
napagkakamalang 18 siya.
Watching you. Thank you so much for watching, my dear.
Bye.
Don't say
Bye.
bye. Say hello.
Is this okay or
Yes.
big?
Okay lang. Maano lang din naman yan.
Big.
Pero mas magara siguro pag i-ano mo siya.
This the big dot. This one big dot. This one back.
Huwag mo masyadong kapalan. Tama lang yung ano yun. Huwag lang masyadong kapalan.
This one the big one dot. Haba.
Ayun, pababa na yung ano.
Sabay.
Oo, kasi pag malalaki masyado, pagkalo mo, madurog siya.
Pero ang ganito. Okay lang kung ganito. Yan. Thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching my vlog. Oh, say shout out.
Hi! How are you? Sinong mga andyan?
Meron
God
tayong
bless
9
you.
million.
Sa Pinas ba kayo?
I don't
Matulog na kayo, huwag na kayo magpuyat.
Lalayas na sila. Uy.
Nag-live na maya.
Nagano para kumita. Okay, matulog.
Maghanap buhay tayo para magpera tayo.
Balata ko dyan na. Nag-shout out ako.
Open it.
Open it, please. Please, please, please.
Where did the double Jane?
Cool, Tita Jibber
Namimiss
Jane.
mo?
Shout out to Tita Jibber Jane. Tita Jibber Jane, shout out to Tita Jibber Jane. Tita Jibber Jane, where are you?
What's her name, Tita Double Jane?
What's your name, Tita Jibber Jane?
Where are you?
Where are you, Tita Jibber Jane? I miss you, Tita Jibber Jane.
Ayo.
I'm waiting for you, Tita Jibber Jane.
Well,
Where are you? Where are you?
it's big.
Yeah, that's big. Give it to Tita Jane. Tita Jane will ano.
I got it.
Cat will cat. From Venus. Where's Venus? Venus? Saan bang Venus? Venus? Kalapit ng Mars?
Luto.
Ay, wala siyang papalan. From
Hi.
Venus. Where,
Kape mo,
where
kape.
is Venus?
Kami. Luluto ng ano to?
Pumpkin. Ay, hindi siya pumpkin. Squash.
Where's that pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Squash.
Squash.
Tangkan.
Oh, not this one.
Squash. Jupiter. Oh, yeah. You're from Jupiter, Mars. Jupiter, Mars.
Oh, it's that.
Yes, along with
Saturn.
Pluto and Jupiter.
We are from sun. Tag-init
From
dito.
sun.
Where's
From
that?
the moon.
Sa sun
From the
kami.
sky.
What
Yes,
is that?
darling. That's garlic.
Not buyas.
No,
Sa
buyas
sun kami.
later. Buyas. Okay?
May natutulog na ba?
Wala pa. Ay, sinagri siguro. Yung lumpia. Ano yung lumpia sa tabot?
Ito?
Let's cut it. Ah!
15 minutes ko lang itong live lang. 15 minutes lang.
Ikat pa natin.
Akala ko may ano na siya. Hindi na pala siya ano. Ah? Bakit? Akala ko ano siya? Lumpia. Yes, you're gonna
One
eat
for
some...
you and for me.
You're gonna
And
eat some lumpia. Lumpia. Yeah, lumpia Shanghai.
may lumpiang Shanghai
So,
ako.
I don't know
Tuloy na
how-
kuha.
Yeah, we will do mukbang.
Open. Open.
Open, please.
Lumpia.
I think it's duck. I said blue. Oh,
Sit properly.
it's properly.
Proper. Uy, napindot na, uy.
Open it.
Open, please. Ito na lang muna buksan
Oh
lang.
no.
Ito. This one.
Oh no.
You try this one. You know this food? It's we call it lumpiang Shanghai. Ano na ba ang lasa nito? Hindi ko na maalala eh.
Ako.
Mm.
Ako lang po.
Doon ka na kay Tita Shun, Bong. Biling mo si Tita Shun. Your Tita Shun, ano, wait up. Let's eat lumpia. Wala namang Shanghai.
Lahat ng ano na, may paa na witang ko.
Sino naglalaban, nag-ano ata yung washing machine, na ba yung
Yan ang
nag-error?
Ito, yung mga mga
Ano gawin ngayon?
Pastor siguro.
Pabutin ko lang itong 10 minutes. Live ko ito. Mag-attendance na ako kasi wala akong upload sa amin. Ano yung isa, te?
Patay mo buksan sa'yo.
Okay. Akala ko kasi nagtitipid ka eh.
Hindi tipid.
Ito pa gagawin mo.
Hallelujah. Yan, 5 million in the house. Shout out po everybody, wherever you
Okay.
are.
Ano tawag niyo
Stay
dito?
safe and God bless. So this is lumpia, lumpiang Shanghai na chichirya. Hindi ko na maalala kung ilang...
Sarap, no?
Healthy lumpia.
Ay, bukas pupunta sa...
This is the healthy
Sa
lumpia.
church kang magpapakarga-karga. Laki-laki mo na, oh. Laki na ng payak mo.
Nananahimik na siya eh.
Yan,
Nung Sabado, nagamit ka? Sabado na ano?
Bumo. Ang laki ng butas ng ilong.
Paparinig ka.
Yung ilong ko, mas sinasabi ko, oy!
Ngayon mo lang alam. That's our asset.
Parang,
Yung mamimintas dyan, mas maganda sa amin.
yummy, Idrel? That is Shanghai. Lumpiang Shanghai.
Tapos healthy lumpia.
Oh! Ubus na! Ay, sarap naman.
Wala ba? Apat lang ba laman ito?
4 lang.
Ha?
Papa, where?
This is the
Bumili ng gamot
Where?
doon sa may hamdan.
Nag-work si Papa, naghanap buhay si Papa.
Naghanap bahay.
Naghanap bahay Papa mo. May bukas po pala doon. Ito ba yung binuksan ko kanina?
Ito.
Ha? Sa'yo pala ko.
Nakinurin na ita. Nag-walk out na
3
ito.
million. Thank you so
Yan
much.
yung kamay mo. Ano?
Oh, don't put your finger over there.
Look here.
Yan. Okay.
Oh, manggum.
Oh.
Idrel, don't do that.
No.
Don't do
Okay?
this.
Then throw it. Okay? Let's watch na Lorena. Okay?
Yan mga kasama natin sa kusina.
Siyempre.
As usual. Hello guys.
From Jensan. This is from
Good evening,
Jensan.
guys.
And this is from Isabela. Isiha? Nueva Ecija. Oh, this is from Nueva Ecija.
From Nueva
And the other one is from Pangasinan, the little boy. And this is from El Locoser. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Ayun ko na po mga kapatid.
Ngayon yung mapapanood ka, mga kapatid, ang pagkain ng hilaw na kalabasa.
Baka yan ang kayayaman. Hindi pero kinakain naman nila talaga yan.
Million views.
Ano?
Yummy, Idrel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye and God bless and happy weekend sa lahat. Saan po tayo naroon. Ingat-ingat. God bless, God bless. So, paano na ito i-end?